Have you ever wondered why certain fears feel irrational yet incredibly strong? Why small situations trigger big emotional reactions? Often, the answer isn't in the present, it's in childhood. In this video, we explore how childhood shapes adult fear, using psychology and neuroscience to explain how early experiences silently program the brain's fear system in simple, clear language. Childhood is the brain's learning ground. During childhood, the brain is highly plastic. This means it learns quickly, it absorbs emotional patterns, and it forms survival rules. The brain doesn't ask if something is fair, it asks if something feels safe. Fear is learned, not born. Some fears are biological, but many are learned. Childhood experiences teach the brain what to avoid, what feels dangerous, and when to stay quiet or alert. Once learned, these fear patterns often continue into adulthood. The role of the amygdala. The amygdala stores emotional memories, especially fear. In childhood, emotional events are stored deeply. Fear memories are strong. Logic is still developing. This means early fear experiences can become long-lasting emotional triggers. When safety was unpredictable. Growing up with criticism, emotional neglect, anger, or instability teaches the brain to stay alert. As adults, this can show up as anxiety, people-pleasing, fear of authority, chronic anxiety, difficulty trusting. These are not flaws, they're learned survival responses. Healing starts with awareness. Understanding the origin of fear changes everything. When the brain realizes the threat is old, the danger has passed, safety exists now, fear begins to lose its grip. Awareness creates choice. To summarize, childhood experiences shape the fear system. The amygdala stores early emotional memories. Adult fears often reflect childhood survival patterns. Healing begins with understanding, not self-blame. You're not weak, your brain learned to survive. If this video resonated with you, like the video, subscribe to PsycAcademy, comment which fear do you struggle with most. Understanding your past helps calm your present.